Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about written communication from chapter Communication Skills from the subject Community Pharmacy and Management presented by KG Saraf lecturer KK College of Pharmacy Nasik. Now what is a written communication skill? It is a type of verbal communication in which messages are delivered with the help of words or symbols, either handwritten or printed. So the word itself, written communication, indicates that it is a written form of communication and which mainly uses the words to exchange the information. It is a most formal type of communication. Formal is a very common and official way to communicate. The written form of communication are generally preferred when formal communication is required. This type of communication is generally used for documentation purpose. The institutions and companies usually use the written form of communication for important decisions and to maintain the records. There is no need to present at the same time of receiver and sender. The thing is that written communication can be used as a legal document. It will serve as a permanent record. Plus, the patient or the receiver of the information can read the information at his convenient timings and at his comfortable place. So there is no need to be present physically. So this is one of the advantage of written communication. Now we will see what are all the advantages of written communication. First is less chances of misuse. There are less chance that to misuse the written communication. Second is documentation. Documentation and maintaining the record is easy and less chances of destroy. As the written communication we can save it and it is very less chances that it can be destructed. Next is decoding time. It provides a desirable time for decoding, that is understanding the message, which is not possible in oral form of communication. Okay, the written form of communication, the receiver or the patient can read it once, twice, and the patient will get sufficient time to understand the concept, which is not possible in case of oral. So these were all the advantages regarding written communication. The disadvantages are that it is a very formal type of communication. Every person does not have the ability of communication in this format. There are many constraints in this. Sometimes the patient is not literate to read. There are some vision problems. So it is a very formal type, official communication, which is not suitable to all types of patients. Next is it is time consuming. It takes a lot of time to write the communication, to write the message in comparison to oral communication, because as it is time consuming, it has to be written, planned and written earlier. So it requires time to frame the sentences, to use correct language. So it is quite time consuming case of written communication. So difficulty in amendment. Amendment means changes. It is not so much easy to correct the mistake if it has been sent to receiver, such as a book published and sold. Okay, once you have written and given, or once the book is published, you cannot change it, you cannot correct the mistakes. Next is misunderstanding. There are chances for misunderstanding in written communication and not easy to remove the misunderstanding because sender is not available to clarify the doubt. Okay, so if there is any doubt in the mind of the patient regarding any concept, so he cannot ask it directly. As in case of face-to-face communication, there is interaction, patient can solve their doubts. So this is one of the disadvantage of written communication. Thank you so much.